Welcome to Bike Update. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 99 cubic centimeters FRP GMB100 mini bike, a compact machine built for backyard fun and light trail cruising. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GMB100 is a 99 cubic centimeters gas-powered engine that delivers approachable power for beginners while staying entertaining for experienced riders. The setup focuses on smooth throttle response and easy starts, making it ideal for casual rides. Build and design. The 2026 GMB100 keeps things simple and rugged. Its steel frame, compact footprint, and low seat height make it easy to handle, transport, and store. The minimalist design emphasizes function over flash. Safety and handling. Wide tires and a low center of gravity help the mini bike feel stable and predictable. Basic braking and intuitive controls make it easy to learn, while still offering enough control for confident riding. Who it's for. This mini bike is best suited for teens and adults looking for an affordable entry into mini bikes, a pit bike for the track, or a fun weekend ride without the complexity of larger machines. Final thoughts. The 2026 99 cubic centimeters FRP GMB100 mini bike sticks to the basics and does them well: simple, sturdy, and fun. It's a no-nonsense choice for riders who want easy enjoyment in a small package.